فصلی وسلم دائما ابدا.
And let not your eyes pass beyond them. Turidu zinat al-hayat ad-dunya, seeking the pomp and glitter of this life, of this world. This is very important ayah of the Quran. It's a very practical aspect. Whenever there will be any struggle to establish the deen of Allah, and for that we know that we need a revolutionary struggle. And now people in the societies, they belong to different strata. There are poor people. They don't have any influence in the society. There are higher-ups, maybe the rich, the wealthy, the chiefs in the tribal society, the chief of the clan, the chief of the tribe. Now, obviously, if someone comes to Islam from among the common people, and if you compare it, if someone from the chiefs embraces Islam, as regards our goal, our struggle, this is very important. That is why, the Prophet prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in his early days, "Oh Allah, at least one of these two you give to me, either Umar ibn al-Khattab or Amr ibn Hisham." Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and Amr ibn Hisham is the name of Abu Jahl. Abu Jahl was also a big chief among the chiefs of Makkah. And Umar ibn al-Khattab was also an important person, highly praised person. Why he was praying for these? At least give me one to help me in this mission that you have given to me, the burden that you have put on my shoulders, so that he must be helpful to me. So because of this, naturally the Prophet used to be more, attentive towards the chieftains. When they came, he listened to them, he wanted to talk to them. But here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so to say, is inviting his attention to the fact that these poor people that have come to you, this Bilal, or this Yasir, or this Khabbab bin al-Arab, and so on, when they will feel, it may be possible that they might feel it, that even the Prophet doesn't care for us. He cares for Abu Jahl. He cares for Abu Lahab. He cares for Walid ibn Mughira. He cares for these chiefs. They carry more weight in his eyes than us. And this is very bad. It will hurt their souls. It will hurt their hearts. So, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, keep contented with the company of these. Allah has given you these people. They are the gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to you. So you must remain contented with their company. Wasbir nafsaka. Now here the sabr. Although there is temptation that you should go and try more to beg from the chiefs and the rich people. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, no. It might hurt the feelings. And maybe that people think that Muhammad is also like other people. In his eyes, this worldly wealth and position, that has a weight. And he also cares for them. So don't let this impression come to the minds of the people only. And he was doing only for the sake of deen, not for himself. But the people could have had that impression. So to remove that possibility, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, and in somewhat, so to say, harsh words. These words are somewhat harsh. Turidu zinat al-hayat ad-dunya. You are looking for, you are seeking for the glitter and pomp of this worldly life. What Abu Jahl has, what Walid bin Mughira has, some property, some wealth, some position. All these things are for this world only. Actually, what Bilal has, and what Khabbab al-Arab has, and what these people have, they have the love of Allah in their minds and in their hearts, and they are morning and evening remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and praying Him. وَاصْبِرْ نَفْسَكَ مَعَ الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ رَبَّهُمْ بِالْغَدَاةِ وَالْعَشِيِّ يُرِيدُونَ وَجْهَهُ وَلَا تَعْدُ عَيْنَاكَ عَنْهُمْ. Don't let your eyes pass beyond them, and you seeking the pomp and glitter of this life, the life of this world.